my name is Ayesha and I'm running a company called Cooking 101. Today I'm collaborating with Scary Ammi and Opa Fries to be part of 10 ways to Opa it. Today I'm putting up a recipe that is Mediterranean style French fries. So I want you guys to replicate the recipe, upload the picture on Scary Ammi और winner को मिलेगा एक बहुत amazing prize. So guys, today I'm going to put up a recipe as I told you, Mediterranean style French fries. I'm going to use blue Opa fries. And here are the ingredients. I'm going to use Greek yogurt, some salad for tomatoes and cucumbers, grilled chicken, minced garlic, lemon juice, Italian herb, cucumber, black pepper and salt, along with cottage cheese that I actually made at home, chili flakes, some coriander chopped, and lemon wedges. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can make this recipe with any of the Opa fries. Either it's chunky, it's sprinkled, it's your choice. And I really hope you enjoyed this recipe by making it. Upload the pictures and I really hope one of you wins.